How to whiten your teeth and prevent plaque. In 2015, Americans spent over $11 billion on teeth whitening, including over $1.4 billion on at-home whitening products. There are plenty of products to choose from when it comes to whitening your teeth. However, most whitening products use chemicals to bleach your teeth, which concerns many people. If you want whiter teeth but also want to avoid the chemicals, this article lists many options that are both natural and safe. What causes teeth to look yellow? Multiple factors cause teeth to become dull and lose their bright, white sparkle. Certain foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Additionally, plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. This type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening remedies. However, sometimes teeth look yellow because the hard enamel has eroded, revealing the dentin underneath. Dentin is a naturally yellow, bony tissue that lies underneath the enamel. Here are 7 simple ways you can naturally whiten your teeth. 1. Practice oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Indian folk remedy meant to improve oral hygiene and remove toxins from the body. The practice involves swishing oil around in your mouth to remove bacteria, which can turn into plaque and cause your teeth to look yellow. Traditionally, Indians used sunflower or sesame oil for oil pulling, but any oil will work. Coconut oil is a popular choice because it has a pleasant taste and offers many health benefits. Coconut oil is also high in lauric acid, which is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. A few studies have shown that daily oil pulling reduces bacteria in the mouth, along with plaque and gingivitis. Streptococcus mutans is one of the primary types of bacteria in the mouth that cause plaque and gingivitis. One study found that daily swishing with sesame oil significantly reduced Streptococcus mutans in saliva in as little as 1 week. Unfortunately, no scientific studies have proven that oil pulling whitens your teeth. However, it's a safe practice and worth a try. Many people claim their teeth are whiter and brighter after regular oil pulling. To oil pull, put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and push and pull the oil through your teeth. Coconut oil is solid at room temperature, so you may need to wait a few seconds for it to melt. Continue the oil pulling for 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure to spit the coconut oil into a toilet or trash can, as it could return to solid form once in your drain pipes and cause a clog. Unlike many other tooth whitening methods, coconut oil pulling does not expose your teeth to acid or other ingredients that erode the enamel. This means it's safe to do daily. You can purchase coconut oil online. Coconut oil pulling involves swishing oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes to remove bacteria. Practicing this daily can reduce plaque and may brighten your teeth. 2. Brush with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. It's a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. Additionally, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. This is not a remedy that will whiten your teeth overnight, but you should notice a difference in the appearance of your teeth over time. Science has not yet proven that brushing with plain baking soda will whiten your teeth, but several studies show that toothpaste containing baking soda has a significant whitening effect. One study found that toothpastes containing baking soda were significantly more effective at removing yellow stains from teeth than standard toothpastes without baking soda. The higher the concentration of baking soda, the greater the effect. Furthermore, a review of 5 studies found that toothpastes containing baking soda removed plaque from teeth more effectively than non-baking soda toothpastes. To use this remedy, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. You can do this a few times per week. You can buy baking soda at a grocery store or find it online. Brushing with a paste made with baking soda and water can reduce bacteria in your mouth and buff away surface stains. 3. Use hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that also kills bacteria in your mouth. In fact, people have been using hydrogen peroxide for years to disinfect wounds because of its ability to kill bacteria. Many commercial whitening products contain hydrogen peroxide, although at a much higher concentration than you will use. Unfortunately, no studies have investigated the effects of rinsing or brushing with hydrogen peroxide alone, but several studies have analyzed commercial toothpastes containing peroxide. One study found that a toothpaste containing baking soda and 1% hydrogen peroxide led to significantly whiter teeth. Another study found that brushing with a commercial toothpaste containing baking soda and peroxide twice per day led to 62% whiter teeth in 6 weeks. However, there are some questions regarding the safety of hydrogen peroxide. While heavily diluted concentrations appear safe, strong concentrations or overuse can cause gum irritation and tooth sensitivity. There's also concern that high doses may cause cancer, but this has not been proven. One way to use hydrogen peroxide is as a mouthwash before you brush your teeth. Make sure you are using a 1.5% or 3% solution to avoid side effects. The most common concentration of hydrogen peroxide at the drugstore is a 3% solution. You can easily dilute this concentration to 1.5% by mixing equal parts peroxide and water. Another way to use hydrogen peroxide is by mixing it with baking soda to make a toothpaste. Combine 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and gently brush your teeth with the mixture. Limit the use of this homemade paste to a few times per week, as overuse can erode your tooth enamel. You can buy hydrogen peroxide online. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent and can kill bacteria in your mouth. You can use it as a mouthwash or mix it with baking soda to form a whitening toothpaste. 4. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a disinfectant and natural cleaning product. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, kills bacteria. The antibacterial property of vinegar is what makes it useful for cleaning your mouth and whitening your teeth. One study on cow teeth found that apple cider vinegar exhibits a bleaching effect. However, it also found that vinegar may soften teeth. The acetic acid in vinegar has the potential to erode the enamel on your teeth. For this reason, you should not use apple cider vinegar every day. You should also limit the amount of time that apple cider vinegar is in contact with your teeth. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it with water and swish it around in your mouth for several minutes. Make sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. You can find apple cider vinegar online. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that may help whiten your teeth. However, the overuse of vinegar can also erode your tooth enamel, so limit its use to a few times per week. 5. Eat fruits and vegetables. A diet high in fruits and vegetables may be good for both your body and your teeth. While they're no substitute for brushing them, crunchy, raw fruits and vegetables can help rub plaque away as you chew. Strawberries and pineapple are 2 fruits that have been claimed to help whiten your teeth. Strawberries. Whitening your teeth with a strawberry and baking soda mixture is a natural remedy that has been made popular by celebrities. Proponents of this method claim that the malic acid found in strawberries will remove discoloration on your teeth, while the baking soda will buff away stains. However, this remedy has not been completely backed up by science. While strawberries may help exfoliate your teeth and make them appear whiter, they are unlikely to penetrate the stains on your teeth. A recent study found that a strawberry and baking soda mixture produced very little color change in teeth, compared with commercial whitening products. If you decide to give this method a try, limit its use to a few times per week. Despite studies showing that a strawberry and baking soda paste had a minimal effect on tooth enamel, excessive use could cause damage. To use this remedy, smash a fresh strawberry, combine it with baking soda, and brush the mixture onto your teeth. Pineapple. Some claim that pineapple can whiten teeth. A study found that a toothpaste containing bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapples, was significantly more effective at removing tooth stains than a standard toothpaste. However, there is no evidence that eating pineapples produces the same effect. Certain fruits may have properties that help whiten teeth. Regularly consume raw fruits and vegetables to help rub off plaque and keep your teeth looking bright. 6. Prevent tooth stains before they happen. While your teeth naturally yellow as you age, some things can help prevent stains on your teeth. Limit staining foods and beverages. Coffee, red wine, soda, and dark berries are infamous for staining teeth. That doesn't mean you have to completely avoid them, but you should limit the amount of time these substances are in contact with your teeth. If possible, drink beverages known to stain teeth out of a straw to prevent direct contact with your teeth. Moreover, brush your teeth soon after consuming one of these foods or beverages to limit their effects on the color of your teeth. Additionally, avoid smoking and chewing tobacco, as both can cause tooth discoloration. Limit your sugar intake if you want whiter teeth. Cut back on your sugar intake. A diet high in sugar supports the growth of Streptococcus mutans, the primary type of bacteria that causes plaque and gingivitis. When you consume a sugary food, be sure to brush your teeth soon after. Get plenty of calcium in your diet. Some tooth discoloration is caused by enamel eroding and exposing the dentin underneath, which is yellow. Therefore, anything you do to strengthen the enamel of your teeth will help keep your teeth pearly white. Calcium-rich foods, such as milk, cheese, and broccoli, may help protect your teeth from enamel erosion. A healthy diet with enough calcium can help prevent your teeth from becoming yellow. Brushing your teeth soon after you eat can also help prevent stains. 7. Don't underestimate the value of brushing and flossing. While some tooth discoloration naturally comes with age, it's largely a result of plaque buildup. Regularly brushing and flossing can help your teeth stay white by reducing bacteria in your mouth and preventing plaque buildup. Toothpaste gently rubs out stains on your teeth, and flossing removes bacteria that lead to plaque. Regular dental cleanings can also help your teeth stay clean and white. Daily brushing and flossing, along with regular cleanings at the dentist's office, prevent the buildup of yellowing plaque on your teeth. Other methods that are not proven. There are a few other natural teeth whitening methods, but there is no scientific evidence to prove that they are safe or effective. Some of the unproven methods include activated charcoal. Brushing with powdered charcoal supposedly pulls toxins from the mouth and removes stains from teeth. Kaolin clay. Proponents of this method claim that brushing with clay helps remove stains from teeth. Fruit peels. Rubbing orange, lemon, or banana peels on your teeth is claimed to make them whiter. Advocates of these methods claim they make teeth significantly whiter, but no studies have evaluated their effectiveness. This also means that they have not been tested for side effects when used on teeth. How to prevent tooth plaque. Tooth plaque is a fact of life, everyone gets it. It's the sticky film that forms when bacteria in your mouth build up on your teeth. When plaque hangs around for too long, your choppers pay the price. It eats at them and makes them weak. That leads to decay and gum disease. You can't evict bacteria from your mouth. Some kinds are actually good for you, but you can nip plaque buildup with these 5 tips. 1. Brush at least twice a day, the right way. You know you should do it, but how often? Ideally, we want everyone to brush after each meal to remove plaque as soon as it develops, says Nadia Armentrout, DDS. It's especially important to get your bedtime brushing in, she says, because without it, plaque sits on your teeth all night long. Use a soft bristled toothbrush. Hard bristles can be rough on your gums. Make sure to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. If it gets too worn, it won't work well. To make sure you're getting the most out of each trip to the sink, hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums while you brush. Use gentle, circular strokes about a tooth wide. Cover your whole mouth, outer and inner surfaces, and tops of your teeth. Brush your tongue to scrape away bacteria and freshen your breath. Spend 2 full minutes on brushing. Armentrout says she recommends electronic toothbrushes as a way to be sure you're taking care of your plaque. They're much more effective than manual brushing, she says. 2. Clean between your teeth. Your teeth aren't the only places where plaque gathers. It also hides in the spaces between your teeth. Floss or other tools that reach that are key. Toothbrushing alone doesn't remove plaque from between the teeth, says Adisha Patel, DMD. You should floss at least once each day. If wrapping floss around your fingers isn't for you, there are other options that are just as effective, including dental picks, pre-threaded flossers, small, straight brushes that fit between your teeth, water flossers, wooden plaque removers. There's no right or wrong time to clean between your teeth, either. You can do it before you brush or after, or carve out time for a whole separate floss fest. Just make sure you do it. 3. Swish with mouthwash. For many people, antibacterial mouthwash can be another option in their plaque prevention toolkit. Mouthwash generally helps loosen plaque, making it easier to remove, Patel says. But a type that's good for someone else may not be good for you. I typically recommend a mouthwash based on a patient's needs, Armentrout says. You might be a good candidate if you're prone to cavities, she says, or if you have gum inflammation or dry mouth. Some mouthwashes with alcohol can dry your mouth out. That's not good for plaque prevention. Your saliva helps keep your mouth healthy. Dry mouth can lead to buildup of a type of plaque called sticky plaque, which is harder to clean. Talk to your dentist about which mouthwash might be right for you. 4. Skimp on the sugar and starch. When you finish eating, bacteria rush to the sugar left in your mouth and feed on it. The more sugary your food, the more bacteria there are to deal with when you brush. Sugary foods and acidic foods cause decay, Patel says. Eat them sparingly, and you'll avoid problems. The worst offenders include starchy foods like potato chips and breads, sticky candies that cling to your teeth, carbonated soft drinks, alcohol. When you do treat yourself to one of these, drink plenty of water afterward to wash away bits of food and keep your mouth moist. Try not to snack between meals, and brush after you eat to keep your whites pearly. If you aren't near your toothbrush after a meal, chew sugarless gum. 5. Visit your dentist often. Most of your plaque prevention happens in your everyday routine. Still, it's important to see your dentist twice a year, too. No matter how great a job you're doing at home, there are some areas that are difficult to reach and clean properly, like under the gums or behind the second molars, Armentrout says. Besides cleaning the spots you might have missed, your dentist can tweak your tooth techniques and catch any issues early, before they become bigger problems. Keeping tabs on your oral health can ensure your smile will stay bright for the long run. In summary, activated charcoal, kaolin clay, and fruit peels may help whiten your teeth, but no studies have evaluated the safety or effectiveness of these methods. The bottom line: there are several natural methods to help whiten your teeth. Most of these remedies work by gently removing surface stains on your teeth. However, most dentists offer whitening treatments that are much stronger than these natural remedies. They involve bleaching the teeth, which may be more effective for severe tooth discoloration. Overuse of any whitening product can damage your teeth.